Super weather.
We continue to keep an eye on thunderstorm activity as we move into the overnight. We have been dry for the last couple of hours. A break in the action. Watching, though, off to the west. Notice the western Minnesota. We're watching a cluster of some thunderstorms there. This has gradually been weakening as it's been making its way through southwest Minnesota. However, a couple cells producing some gusty winds, some small hail, and, of course, heavy rainfall and frequent lightning. So we'll watch these thunderstorms here looking to approach the I-35 area closer to about midnight. The trend is that these storms will continue to gradually weaken here as they move further east. But still looking at maybe some possible impacts come the morning hours. Another round of some heavy rainfall may be possible. Excessive rainfall outlook here. You can see northern Iowa in that level 2 threat highlighted in yellow, level 1 threat in southern Minnesota highlighted there in that green. So more heavy rainfall possible with our Friday morning round of thunderstorms that's expected to move through, continuing to stay under that flood watch for portions of southern Minnesota into northern Iowa. All these counties highlighted in here in green. This watch stays in effect through tomorrow morning. So the big concern continues to remain with our Friday storms that risk for more heavy rainfall, and especially over spots that have already picked up 5+ inches of rainfall. So let's put things into motion here tonight. We'll look after about midnight or so, seeing this line of thunderstorms getting closer to that I-35 corridor. From there, maybe impacting our I-35 counties, but expecting to continue to weaken. Better chance for thunderstorm development comes from North Iowa, closer to about 3, 4, 5 a.m. We'll see those cells gradually making their way through the region. Some slow movers possible, so watching out for maybe possible training thunderstorms once again. Some heavy rainfall again will still remain that concern. Better chance for scattered activity looking to arrive after about 6, 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. So probably a stormy start to that morning commute once again for the area. And we'll just continue to see some slow moving, heavy rain producing thunderstorms through about the lunch hour. From there, things looking to move further east. The question will be, could we see some recovery by the afternoon to see additional shower and thunderstorm chances? Maybe some strong winds will be our primary concern. The Storm Prediction Center does still have portions of southern Minnesota, northern Iowa, and a level 2 out of a level 5 severe risk for tomorrow. I think with that line of thunderstorms that comes through in the morning round could produce some stronger winds in addition to that heavy rainfall, which will be our primary concern tomorrow morning and why we have a first alert day for Friday. We'll monitor that potential for Friday afternoon for maybe some additional redevelopment. So kind of a domino effect here on all of our thunderstorms last few days, one line after another. But on top of some already saturated grounds here in the region, many of us could maybe pick up an additional 1 to 2 inches here of rainfall over the next day or two. Not good news for folks that have already been impacted significantly by the heavy rains that we've seen so far in the last day or so. Let's take a look at that 10-day forecast here. Reminder, first alert day in place tomorrow as we track those scattered storms, mainly for the morning hours, but a few additional straight isolated storms possible in the afternoon, depending on how quickly storms move out tomorrow morning into the midday there, how quickly the atmosphere can recover, destabilize. Might be a possibility there of some additional storms into the afternoon. So kind of a wait and see day-by-day situation, of course, keeping a close eye on the 4th of July for Saturday, too.
Don't forget your umbrella.